I'm Monique and I'm from Paisley in Scotland. I joined the Awesome Art School and became a Wonder Bundler. So that means I joined 3 clubs. All clubs are fantastic. The content that you will acquire is incredible. The lessons are brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Karen's the most fantastic teacher. She's hilarious as well. So you have such a good laugh too. All the lessons are just fantastic. They're just so good for your heart and soul and your mental health because you're completely immersed in what you're doing and the outside world just takes a back seat. Karen's got a fantastic team as well. So the team are all anything you need, any advice or product knowledge. You're not left hanging. Your answers, you get answers like quick fire. Nobody's left behind and they couldn't be more supportive and helpful if they tried. The Facebook groups are fantastic too, and you're all either doing the same projects or you're all interested in the same kind of things, so you're all working towards a common goal. And everybody on the Facebook is just incredibly supportive and uplifting, and people just say the loveliest things and you get love hearts and sweet comments, and it's so nice. When I joined, I now believe I can draw, but when I joined I just thought, I'm not sure I can do this. And I'm not saying that I'm Picasso by any stretch of the imagination or Van Gogh. I'm not about to cut my ear off, but I now can draw. And I love art. And I've got art all over my house from other people. But now I can look at something that I've done and say, oh, I did that. I created that piece of art, and be really chuffed and delighted because I thought I was hopeless at it. But as I say, Karen is an incredible teacher, and you're building skills which you literally build on from the foundation up, and you acquire all these talents and you're using all these incredible products that you've probably never heard of before. I've never heard of half of them. China markers, matte medium. Karen's also got a couple of YouTube channels which are fantastic as well. There's untold lessons that she's done on YouTube. And another thing as well, before I don't want to bore you all by me, there's a lesson on YouTube, and I'd had other teachers and I'd followed their watercolour courses, and I was thinking, don't get this at all. Just did not get it. Couldn't get it right. Thought it was like the worst thing I'd ever seen. I watched one of Karen's tutorials on watercolours, and it was like the scales fell from my eyes. I just thought it all made perfect sense because of the way Karen teaches. So she broke it down into exactly water paint ratio, exactly how to do it. And if you see that lesson, you'll know exactly what I mean. It's fantastic. And I'm always telling people in the Facebook groups to follow that lesson if they're in the least bit dubious about watercolouring, because it's just fantastic. And it gives you what other teachers don't teach you. The fundamentals. You have to have them or else you can't get any further. Anyhow, thanks Karen for allowing me to do this. I love being a member of the Awesome Art School. I think you're brilliant. And yeah, I'm so glad that I joined. And I wish you all the best. And everybody else, all the best. Carry on in your art journeys. And I'll see you on the Facebook group. Cheerio, bye.